These are going in.
Handles.
Tailgate. You already got the panel out. Quick videos, quick videos. Minute or two long. And lots of GDs.
So far, it's not saving quick.
We're going in there. That's what it looks like. Behind there, that's it with the before. We have light.
We have beer.
And we have beer. Some NA too. I'm getting old. Do here?
Pretty sure just undo those two nuts.
Ah, 2 nuts. What 2 nuts? Them 2 nuts or us 2 nuts? 3 nuts here.
Oh my goodness.
2 nuts.
More nutty than everything.
One there and one there. Hopefully that's
Is there a
it.
problem if one nut's bigger than the other two?
Maybe. Yeah, it might have a little problem.
Mine don't work anyway.
Coming in for the comparison. Stock. Aftermarket.
I think Brett's gonna be the only one coming.
Oh my goodness, now we're going that route. Look out, look out.
Going that route.
Look area, that's good. You can see the line
Yeah,
there.
we're
It's
at
gonna
a
look good.
gas station right outside
You're gonna look
Universal.
good.
He walks in, and I was like, "Is that Hulk Hogan?"
The back sides of them there for you. Check out the difference. Oh yeah.
That's not the way to
Boom. Reaming them out.
That's all we needed. All right, now we can.
Fun part.
That went in there so easy. I gotta take this out and do it again.
Yeah, did it a couple times. All right, bolts go in. New hardware. Oh yes.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
That's it. Look at that.
Yeah, you gotta do from here. You gotta snug her down real quick.
I'm gonna snugger it down.
That does look really clean. It looks so much gooder. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that looks amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Then you're gonna have to do
that looks so good.
door
Tail light.
pumps. Get rid of the
Handle
keys.
is on. Wow.
Gonna have to get
Looks
that
so
made
good.
for automatic door
Stay tuned for the
poppers.
doors.
Get rid of the keyholes.